Hey guys, Czar here checking in with you. We're in the pre-market right now. It's 8:28, so call it 8:30 a.m. We're still 1 hour before New York open, but we're finally getting a breakdown here. You'll see the open range for London was here, and we've had a sell-off. Had a couple of profitable trades here already this morning, and now we're breaking down from this support zone with clean traffic to the left. This 10-minute candle, closes in 1 minute and 21 seconds. If this pulls back and gives us a nice bottom wick, and then a top wick on the next candle, I may look to take a short. It would look something like this. Now, normally at around this time, I would wait for the New York. I think I just mentioned that to you. I'm not sure if I thought it or mentioned it, but that's what getting up at 1:25 this morning, I believe it was, when I got up a.m. Does to you. Not sure if you said something or just thought it. But here, 54 seconds left. We will do this together and potentially extract a few profits here. No guarantees. Let me just go over to my own platform now so I can enter this with you. 10-minute chart. Bear with me. Thank you for your patience. Just going to close something here. Remove a particular hot button. Then I'm going to sell stop limit below the market, right? I'll show it to you in a second. You're probably used to, if you watch my videos, you know what I'm up to. And many now are in the room already in this 3 weeks with the group, and a lot of people are learning now how to do this type of thing and to benefit from it. You're welcome to join us over at our Telegram group. It's free. We don't charge for anything, as you probably heard me say. And if you have a good positive attitude and want to learn and want to share, you're welcome in our group. All right, sell stop. I'm looking for this to pull back even more. Hoping we do. I don't mean hoping in the hopium sense. It would just be nice to see, but not absolutely necessary. I'll tell you exactly what I'm up to here as this plays out. This is a 10-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart on the right-hand side, right? 10 minutes on the left, 1 minute on the right. This is my drive now. Getting ready to go live on this order. I want to see it pull up a little bit more. That's a start. That's good. You see on the 1 minute there how I'm looking for, I call it a more resourceful structure, a pullback towards the 20 in a perfect world, and then be able to drive down from there. But because this move was so acute, right, it was a kind of a pretty strong impulse wave down. You can see this long series of blue candles. I'm more open to taking it a little bit earlier for this momentum to continue. But I like what I'm seeing now on the 1 minute chart. Hopefully that makes sense. Oops, let me just undo that move that I just did. Although I won't move this over. This will be easier to understand. So we're not in this trade. At least I'm not in this trade. It's just an order. It's not even live yet on my platform. I'll tell you when it is. Pulling back. All right, orderly pullback on the 1 minute. I like that. Okay, get a blue candle now. If this thing closes blue, I may even take this early. You can watch this happen together, all right? So maybe moving this all the way up to here because I like that orderly pullback. That's the pullback of the bow. Order almost now. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute here. This might drive without us. I just need to get into my 1 minute chart on my platform. Bear with me. Okay, good. We got another white candle. I'll need to, so I'm not live yet. 15 seconds left in this candle. Getting close though. Getting very close. Not live yet. I'll tell you right before it happens. Try to give you all the warning. 4 seconds left in this candle. This is closing doji for now. Yeah, that's not okay. Now live. This one's iffy because of the doji candle. Live sell stop now. Live sell stop. Just go for a wick fill on this on the 10 minute. If you can see that there. Actually, I may make that a body fill. Yeah, I'm gonna make that a body fill here. Okay, live. I'm not in this trade because I haven't been taken in yet. It'd have to be triggered in. And of course, that is just an emergency stop that you see there. Good, 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 good. My order's been canceled now. Order's been canceled. I'm going to leave the marker there for now, but I'm just telling you verbally that this order has been canceled. I want to see this tap to 20 at this point. That's much better. We've essentially tapped it. There's nothing magical about the actual color touching the white, right? We've essentially tapped into this area called the 20 EMA. All right, now getting ready. This candle closes in 47 seconds. It's a new one. Almost live. Almost live on that. Live now. Live now. Sell stop. 30 seconds left in this candle. Trying to push lower, even within this candle mirroring this previous one. It wants to come out of that now. It being the players in the market, of course. The net of the buyers and sellers, shorts and longs, the goods and the evils. Depending on what side of the trade you're on, you will label them differently. If you're going short, then the bears are the goods. All right. Watching now, watching for that structure break. It's a microstructure we're talking about here. You'll see there's nothing structural on the 10-minute chart whatsoever in terms of entering this trade. This is very much a 1-minute play in the context of what we saw here on the 10 minutes. If that makes sense, and I hope it does. My stop is now above this blue candle, okay? So this is a little bit less than a 1-to-1 risk and reward. That's okay when you're playing with momentum with a high historical batting rate, in other words, win rate. Right? Watching closely. You see these 4 wicks really being defended here. These are higher, 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 right? So with a break of that structure, that becomes null and void. If we don't get the break, we're not taken into the trade, right? So we don't mind. All right, I'm in this trade, watching closely now. Watching closely. Stop to above current candle, very high chance of being stopped out, and I'm okay with that. The stop is above the current candle, high chance of being stopped out, and I'll say it one more time, I'm okay with that. Routine expenses is an ongoing business practice, right? Being rejected strongly now, this is where that stop out might come. Being comfortable taking that. Looking for that drive. Rejected again. Rejected again. Yeah, there's the rejection. You see that? It's fresh buying coming in. This is the pre-market. It's a tricky time. It's 20 to 9. U.S. opens at 9:30. I'm still in. Move this to where my actual stop is. $29, yeah, 029. 029. Yeah, the price is always a little different on TradingView than my own screen. I try to get the markers as accurately as possible. Looking for that wick, that drive down now. We need that push. Patiently waiting and watching. And there it is, guys. Nice trade. It's just a quick 8 points in the pre-market. It's nice when you can get a trade off in the pre-market. And let me just see if I can show you something here. Bear with me. I want to illustrate things sometimes. And yeah, I can't really flip that over. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, guys. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you in about 50 minutes, 45 minutes or so for the New York Open. Thanks for joining me. We will talk soon. Take care.